So today is the day I am going to use the triplex mower today, and I'm going to make a few trim passes around with this cylinder mower. This is the Toro Reelmaster 1600, mows 26 inches. Just want to go around the outside and mow around the tight spots that maybe the ride-on will not be able to get to. I've got this guy with me, Mr. Knorr, and he's going to kind of help me do a little of this and a little of that. And he's run the machine, and he's on my lawn and no one else's. So he's the first. And don't you mess around with me, pal. We're gonna go for it and get out the big guy for the first time today.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
So I'm gonna check the reel to bed knife really quick just to make sure it's cutting good. So you should never do this without gloves, because you could seriously cut your finger off. I've seen Ryan Knorr go ahead and do his thing, and he doesn't use his gloves, and I'm like, whoa, you're about to cut your finger off, dude. And I'm like, oh, it's really kind of frustrating when I see Ryan doing all these things without his safety gear on. It just, ooh. So I'm about to enjoy the mow on this bad machine, folks, so don't kid yourself. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show of me mowing for the first time with this bad machine. Yeah, it fires up first time, first try every time. So one last thing, just want to make sure I'm taking all the safety precautions. I put my seatbelt on, so if that Ryan tries to give me crap for this, I'm doing all the safety precautions. See that? Got a seatbelt and everything. Okay, folks, so it's time to go prime time. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna give it all I've got and just hope that nothing breaks. Are you guys kidding me? I mowed that whole section in like seriously 4 minutes, and those stripes are freaking sweet. It is a little bit difficult to manage because I'm just not used to it. Kind of getting in the tight spots and the corners and the edges and stuff like that is a little bit crazy. This is the real deal, and this was awesome. Okay, folks, so check that out. I mowed this in 2 different directions with that triplex mower over there. That's the Toro Reelmaster 3100D. It's a kind of a trim mower for a golf course, and I am happy with the cut here. You can clearly see the stripes here, and it lays down some nice wide fat stripes. I'm done with the front here, and we did it in like seriously 10 minutes. So I didn't bring this guy out here all this freaking way not to try it out. We gotta get him on the machine.
This I'm very scared about.
You don't need to worry, pal. I know how to fix this machine.
You have done that.
You want to give it a shot?
I will.
Yeah, let's do it. That is the reel turning on the motor.
Okay.
The motor's to the reels.
And then
this is the parking brake.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to take that off, pull that up. So you just got the down and the up and the reel motor. That's really all you need to worry about. And the throttle. Reverse is this button. Forward, that button. But you can control the speed here. Okay. The harder you push, the faster you go.
Yeah.
So if you don't push fast, you just... So I'll just put it all the way up and then just touch on there. Okay. But it is a little bit scary. But I'm not worried about you, pal. You don't need to worry about this whole deal. If you break it, that's fine with me. So
It's not fine with me.
So go ahead and do a little bit of practice course right here on the driveway. It's kind of hard to tell. So it's on. Do a little bit of a drive-a-roo. So he says he likes it. He feels okay. I'm going to entrust him with my precious. He's going to go around and do a little mow. And we'll see how he does. I guarantee he's not going to be able to mow like I mow, because I'm number one. Pretty dang sweet watching this dude over here at my house. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been fun having him, and he's just kind of mowing like it's no one's business over here. He's like, yeah, give me that freaking mower. He basically ripped that thing right out of my hands. And he's like, I'm gonna mow. And I'm like, whoa, hold it, pal, hold it. Hold the phone here. I need to mow this thing first. So he basically ripped that thing right out of my hands, and he's just kind of going at it. His stripes are not exactly straight, but what? Can you blame the guy? He's like freaking a little kid in the candy store going, wow, this is freaking awesome. You should see the smile on his face. He is loving it. There's a palio. Stop the string.
Stop the string.
Think adults can do this? Why not?
You're too heavy.
Wait, I want to try it. It kind of bottoms out a little bit.
Yeah.
So all right guys, that I think is going to do it. I mowed this like 3 times in like 30 or 40 minutes. And having Ryan here was awesome. We had so much fun and there was no major hang-ups.
No, everything went well. It was a blast. So
I kind of thought maybe I might have a hiccup with the machine.
No, you did an amazing job fixing it.
And look at that. It's just fantastic. And I mowed this 3 different directions today. One this way, one that way, and then this diagonal stripe. So I'm really happy the way it turned out. And Ryan, thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a
yeah,
blast.
it was awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you in the next one, right?
That's right.
See you later. I need to get Ryan in a headlock. I'm gonna take him down right here. So you know that Ryan, he's calling me out in his video. I'll teach him a lesson. See, that's what you get, dude. You don't freaking call me out in your videos, pal. I'm Safety Sally. I do everything right. I use all my PPE. Got it? Got it, pal?